As a matter of fact, so in 2022, I was a stay-at-home mom, um, and I had a lot of time on my hands. Um, there were rumors that started circulating that my high school, my alma mater, Copper Hills High School, was going to ban Leis at graduation, and that felt wrong to me. The school district that was going to implement these policies was a school district that my mom worked at. My mom retired as the head of the social studies department
Mm.
for Jordan School District. So we not only have like professional ties, but I have personal ties. This is the district that I grew up in. And because it felt so wrong, I started making calls. I was trying to parse the information that was actually correct because people were saying that, oh, they're going to get rid of Lays because not everybody feels included. Like,
Mhm.
I know you fucking lying. Um,
Right?
so trying to like parse what is right or what information was good, what information wasn't. I joined a cohort of people who were advocating for this specific issue. We went before the school board, Jordan School Board, and we petitioned to have them like not institute this policy. Please allow us to practice our culture at graduations. Like, no, fuck that. I like I'm not coming I'm not going to participate in your systems and then like not be able to be me.
Right.
So that night that we petitioned the school board, they said, you know what, this is a non-issue. We are not going, like, you guys will be able to wear leis. Don't even worry about it. That was June of 2022. In January of 2023, as the legislative session started, there was a very specific bill. It was Bill SB 103, and it banned leis at cultural practices. Or, I mean,
Mm.
it banned leis at graduation practices
Graduations.
statewide. This targeted a very specific demographic of students who were largely Native American and Pacific Islander. Not only is this a cultural practice, but it is a way that we, honor our folks,
Yeah.
give credit where credit is due.
Yep.
And people were trying to institute a new law or a new policy that would come to be the law if it was passed. Luckily, the same group of advocates and a few other people went to the legislative session and spoke against it,
Mm.
and it eventually died, and it didn't make
Didn't even
it
make
didn't.
it to, yeah.
But
Wow.
that was like the first time where I was like, no, this is unfair. This is targeting a specific demographic, and it's my specific demographic. Like, I'm not
Yeah.
going to sit by and allow this to happen. Not on my watch.
Right?
No,